Thanks for you to use Genio Machinery 30-ton silicone heat transfer machine. The following is opening guys. Note the machine must be level. First, add oil to the machine. Note it must be number 68 hydraulic oil. Other oil may be cause the machine not work well. Oil should be filled to more than 80%. Oil should not be lower than the red line and should be added in time. After filling, cover the filter and lid. Now, let us connect the power wires. This is international standard. E is ground wire, N is neutral wire, LELRL3 are live wires. First, connect neutral wire. Then connect to the live wire in sequence. Finally, connect the ground wire and wrap it with electrical tape. Next step, connect air pipe. Connect one end of it to the machine, and connect the other end to the air supply port of the factory. Then adjust the air pressure. Adjust the barometer to 0.5 MPa. Now, let us test the machine. First, turn on the main power of the machine. Then, turn on the power of PLC. Wait a few seconds and the screen will show. First, we need to check if the machine can move. Switch the green to manual and press the red button. It doesn't move and the motor is reversed. To solve this problem, just swap the positions of any two of the sun and leaf wires. Restart it again. Switch the green button to manual. Press the red button. It is moved now. Next step, adjust the vacuum hood stroke. Press the start button with both hands to let mode enter and rise. When the distance between the mode and the upper panel is 2 mm, stop it. Then, come down to move this stroke switch. Move it when it is light up, hold it in position. Then, press vacuum close. Then, come to back of the machine. Move this stroke switch. When it lights up, hold it in position. Now, press red button, let it move out. Now, turn the switch to the auto. Two-hand start button. This sounds not good. This is not normal. You can put it a little down. Test it again. This sound is normal, and this barometer is moving. Now, we set the parameters on the PLC Smart Touch screen. On this page, you just need to set vacuum time, molding time and exhaust number. According to your products, others no need set. Next page, temperature control. Click the beginning to the below temperature control. Here you can set the temperature. The upper mode temperature is set between 80 and 120 degrees Celsius. The lower die is set between 130 and 160. Next page, exhaust parameter. There is no need to set here for now. Next page, signal detection. This is just for the machine detection. Next page, production control. This is intelligent calculation of output. Next page, back to the home page. Now, let us learn the use of the buttons. These buttons are manual mode. Now, switch this button to auto. Double hands to start the machine. The machine will automatically enter the mode, pressurize, pressure, evacuate, etc. These two barometers have been set at the factory and do not require adjustment. Thanks for your watching. Genio Machinery provide the whole process technology guide.